can often be mistaken for Carolina wrens, which are known as the mouth of the South, with their, there are plenty of them down there to make a lot of sound. Here's the thing, with a group as large as this, it's going to be challenging at times to have you all enjoy. We're going to see some special birds, very likely, like scarlet tanagers, which if you've never seen one, you'll be amazed that they're around here. Incredible scarlet colored with a variable color. Some of you have binoculars, and some of you think you have binoculars. So, yes. For instance, she thinks she has binoculars, and she thinks she has binoculars, and she thinks, and here's the problem. When you got some really cheap old binoculars, or the real small ones, you think you have them, and all they do is frustrate you. Because they have small lenses, so they're dark. They don't focus easily. Intensity from kind of an orangey to a real rich, deep scarlet. They are an amazing looking bird. Hear it? So the Peterson book describes him, his voice is like a robin with a sore throat. He'll come in. Wonderful call. I'm going to play it for you so you can hear it.
Poison ivy.
Yeah. So this is a thrush related to robins and bluebirds and the wood thrush. And I'll play its song. I can't play it at the same time as I'm showing you the picture there. The app doesn't do both at the same time. But he's a really and those spotting are very bright, and the back is very orangey. If you got a wood thrush in your woodlot, you're a lucky person with those songs. Just like the these are some of the considered by some among the greatest of the songbirds. Because it's so fruit-like.
Are they?
And I'm hearing this, it's veery too. Hear him calling back?
Yeah, he died a couple years ago, but you know.
They're not going to do anything.
Oh, why is she scared? Like she's never seen people.
Folks, let's just walk by slowly.
Come on, horse. Let's go through.
Well, they tell me for that because I have an autoimmune
He won't move.
thyroid problem. So.
Say like some areas.
Come here, baby girl. Come on. You're all right.
They're handsome birds, particularly the Virginia rail. Got a long bill, beautiful colors, and they just skulk around in the marshes. And if we had an open area with cattails, I don't know if we're going to pass one. They might all be like this. We'll try again to call them in. And if you get to see them, they're really wonderful looking little birds.
Can we see that picture?
Yeah.